I am Dr. Jayashree Wakankar, Sri Shankaracharya Mahavidyalaya, Junwani, Bhilai. Today's topic is meaning and definition of political science. Meaning of political science. Political science focuses on the theory and practice of government and politics at the local, state, national, and international level. We are dedicated to developing understanding of institutions, practices, and relations that institute public life and modes of inquiry that promote citizenship. The terms of political science have been derived from the Greek word polis, which means city-state. For the Greeks, politics meant the mind's science of the city-state, which was the highest organization of the community through which man strove for moral perfection. Politics today means applied or practical politics dealing with day-to-day public affairs and the actual problem of the government. Those who take parts in the actual contest and management of the state, government, political parties, etc., are known as politicians. On the other hand, political science refers to theoretical aspects of the studies of politics. Using the terms politics in the broadest sense, Sir Frederick Pollard divided it into theoretical two parts: theoretical politics and practical or applied politics. The theory of the state, the theory of government, the theory of legislation, the theory of state is an artificial person. The state, actual forms of government, the government, working of government, administration, etc., large and legislation, and the state personified. Diplomacy, peace, war, and international relations is everything that related to the basic problems of the state, including the principles of the political organization and administration, falls within the domain of theoretical political, while that which concerned with natural working government and other political institutions comes under applied politics. The majorities of rights, however, prefer the terms political science to theoretical politics, and the simple terms politics to applied are political practical politics. The terms political science in its current uses, however, more comprehensive than term politics. It includes both theoretical and applied politics. It includes both the theoretical theory of state and the actual contents of affairs of states. Definition of political science. Paul Janet, Political science is the part of social science which treats foundation of the state and the principles of government. Gilchrist, a study of state and government. Gettle, political science, a historical investigation of war and state is been and the analytical study of what is the state is and a politico ethical discussion of what the state would be. Lasky, the study of politics concerns itself with the life of man in relation to organized state. In short, political science begins and ends with the state. Laswell and Kaplan, as an empirical discipline, the study of the shaping and sharing of power. Hellman writes, politics is the science of who gets what, when, and why. David Stern, political science is concerned with a authoritative allocation of values for society. Political science, a science or an art. There is a great deal of controversy among scholars whether politics is political science is a science and an art. Aristotle, the father of political science, called politics the master or a supreme science. Other modern writers like Hobbes, Wise, and others consider it as a science. And the other hand, scholar Slice, Masca, Beckel, Comment, and Maclet, it claimed is a science since it has failed to act up to the stand of science. Scope of political science. It is a very comprehensive and expanding social science. Political science scientists are seldom agreed about its scope. An attempt was made by the International Political Science Association in Paris in 1948 to delineate the scope of political science. It demarcated the scope into four zone wise: political theory, political institution, community, nation, government, regional and local government, and comparative political institutions. Political dynamics, parties, groups, and public opinions. International relations. The area of political science. Study of man, the study of past, present, and future of state, study of government, study of political theories and study of a power, study of international relations. Thank you.